बर्फ की चादर में सिमटी ये बूंदें, झरनों की धारा बनती ये बूंदें। पत्तों में बैठी वो ओस की बूंदें हैं, गरजते बादलों से वो बरसती हुई बूंदें। जब हर बूंद में समा हो दो पल का आनंद, क्यों बदले हम अंदाज़ बूंदों का।
There is nothing more blissful than water. Pure, fresh, hygienic and rich in minerals. That's what water is when you have it from the source. To give your family water the way it's meant to be, Tupperware introduces Tuppershore, a water filter that purifies water and keeps it fresh and hygienic as it should be. Simple and reliable, Tuppershore runs without electricity, doesn't require running or boiled water, and nor do you have to wait for water to trickle down while filling it. Tuppershore is India's first gravity-fed unit, certified to reduce bacteria and viruses by WQA, USA's foremost authority on water purification certification. Made from the highest quality food-grade plastic, Tuppershore improves the taste of water and reduces odor. What's more, Tuppershore's cartridge replacement indicators tell you when to order a new cartridge much in advance. And in case you missed the indication, it automatically shuts off the flow of water to ensure the good health of your family. Tuppershore also minimizes the chances of biofilm buildup in the bottom dispenser due to the presence of permissible limits of bromine. Tuppershore's filtration process gives you a good flow rate by removing large particles and by reducing the turbidity of water. All plastic components of Tuppershore come with a lifetime guarantee and the reassurance of Tupperware. Its compact design saves space and lets you keep it anywhere, while its bottom dispenser can be carried around as a storage container as well. Tuppershore's unique features take away hassles from water purification. Similarly, its innovative design eliminates the complications of assembling it. A Tuppershore water filter consists of a bottom dispenser, which has a hole to place the faucet. The upper chamber of Tuppershore has intelligently designed spaces for the non-woven pre-filter and the cartridge. Tuppershore's dispenser seal has a rocker valve. Now that you know your Tuppershore, let's start assembling it by fixing the faucet first. Place one washer on the faucet with the raised part facing away from it. Fix the faucet into container through the hole and place the other washer onto the faucet from the inside. Put the nut at the internal end of the container and tighten. Once the faucet has been fixed, you can start assembling the filter. Place the upper chamber of the Tuppershore water filter at the top of the dispenser. Insert the cartridge into the hole at the bottom of the upper chamber. Push gently to be sure that the cartridge is in its place. Place the non-woven pre-filter on top of the cartridge and push gently to make sure it's fixed. Place the dispenser seal on top of the upper chamber. Wasn't that simple? Now that you've assembled your Tuppershore, let's take a look at how it works. Tapashaw's 3-stage purification process ensures the good health of your family. The upper chamber can be filled with up to 8 liters of unfiltered water. Water first flows through the non-woven pre-filter, which reduces visible contaminants, reduces turbidity and improves the clarity of water and protects the cartridge from clogging. The first chamber of the cartridge with granulated carbon eliminates chlorine and impurities in the water while enhancing its taste and reducing odor. The second chamber of the cartridge has a filter media to remove disease-causing bacteria and viruses from the water. Contamination can happen even in the bottom dispenser. That's where Tapashaw's unique bromine technology comes in. It prevents the buildup of biofilm, which attracts germs and microbes. The first batch of water, as it filters down to the bottom dispenser, may look discolored, and you should discard it. This water being environmentally harmless, you can use it to water your plants or for cleaning purposes. Tapashaw has water level markings, each indicating 2 liters. A Tapashaw water filter can hold up to 10 liters of water at a time. So to avoid overfilling the filter, remember to fill only 5 marking units of water. For example, if the bottom filter is filled till the 3rd marking, that is 6 liters, then fill the upper chamber only till the 2nd marking, that is 4 liters. Tapashaw's cartridge replacement indicator starts rising to the top and the red dots become more visible as the cartridge nears the completion of its life. It gradually shuts off the flow of water. So you just check the indicators to know when to order for a replacement. Ordering a replacement cartridge is simple too. Call your Tupperware consultant or dial Tapashaw's toll-free number 1-800-103-6678. But before that, make sure you have registered your Tapashaw. To register, call the toll-free number.
झरनों की धारा बनती ये बूंदें.
Tapashaw brings you clean, hygienic and refreshing water. Water the way it should be.